Good morning from beautiful Bali. Actually, beautiful weather today. Is so hot, but so beautiful sunny day. At the front of Pantai Dayung actually, where is the La Playa and Seagrass and so many restaurants. At morning, so many people having breakfast. Gonna have a loop little bit, going to Intercontinental Area Hotel, Holiday Inn, and then come back to on the main street, passing Massimo and all of this stuff. So. Been a while when I was working like this one. Yesterday was super hot, about 40 degrees, seriously, and it was very crazy. So today at morning, 8 o'clock, 8:30, slightly better. Everything waking up. So cool to show you. I'm a little bit sleepy, but I will show you anyways. One of the beautiful restaurants here, good for pizza. As you can see at morning, the lights are so beautiful. Everything is so bright. You can sit by the beach if you would like to. Some places are still open, still closed. Some others are still open. Everybody just waking up slowly. It's also very hot, keep it in mind. It's not that cool as it's look like. Omba is also a very nice place for the coffee with the beautiful sitting on the beach, by the beach like this one. If you can handle the heat, I cannot handle the heat anymore, sitting by the beach even at morning. But you could, of course. But honestly, I think the heat in Bali each year is more and more hot. It's just simply very hot. I got a friend yesterday, sent me the picture from Singapore as his car showed him 39.5 degree. So must be something like this one. Extremely, extremely hot. For me, at least personally. But I know many of you guys just enjoying, like it's just cool. One more restaurant here, Nyoman, I think, or something like that. Also pretty enjoyable. Also you can sit inside, and then there will be two hotels, just like 5 restaurants here by the beach, and then there is the Intercontinental Hotel and Holiday Inn. Also at the front of Holiday Inn is very, very nice. They have a brand new restaurant looking like this one, and the hotel itself is over there. They also have a nice promos for the breakfast, like 50,000 rupiah, you can have already something. However, it's that hot as I don't think so many people enjoying sitting outside. People looking for sitting inside the aircon. Personally, right now when I'm gonna go for coffee after this video, I need to sit somewhere where is the aircon. I cannot handle the heat. But I know many of you guys just actually simply enjoying this heat like this one. But I cannot handle it. Anyways, this is Intercontinental Hotel, and what is at the front of Intercontinental Hotel in Sanur, just in case if you are interested. Then we have a Tapa restaurant, also pretty new, open during pandemic times. Very popular for the lunch and dinner, especially for the expats who are living in Sanur. It's also nice. Not bad at all, but seems very quiet at morning in general. There's private villa between the hotels, and in general, I'm gonna tell you, weather is beautiful, really beautiful. It's hot, and now I don't know, is it quiet because it's just simply quiet right now in Bali, in Sanur, or is it quiet because people like me trying to avoid this heat? Now I'm a little bit confused because when I'm walking here, almost nobody is anywhere around. But I think everybody trying to avoid the heat. Is just very hot, no matter if you are local or if you are foreigners, you can feel it. It's just simply hot. But anyways, at morning the light is the best in Sanur. This is the best time to making video, because if I walk here afternoon, everything is grayish. You might remember my videos. But when I walk like now, 8:30 at morning, everything have a so crispy colors. It's just simply hot. But last night, even at 8 o'clock, it was very hot. This is somebody have a villa there. I think this is the kind of private villa with the pretty cool house on the tree overlooking the ocean directly. And yeah, that's a little promenade going to the one restaurant there and Holiday Inn. Also on the way you can find a few local warungs here where you could have your morning Bali coffee, for example. For about 2,000-3,000, shouldn't cost you more. Also, this beach is popular for this divers, so they preparing here. There was a long time ago one restaurant owned by the Australian family, I guess. Somebody told me, but it's totally gone. They couldn't handle. And that is the name of the beach. This is a beach where so many divers coming. Pantai Semawang, electric scooters, Aban obviously. But this lady is pushing electric scooter, I don't know where. And Studia di Pantai, this is the newest restaurant here Very nice looking, very Mediterranean style, however hot, so only actually local people sitting here, I can see. But place is pretty nice looking, have to agree, very nice. Few people, and then you can walk around on the beach. And there at the front will be the Prama, Mercure hotels, Purisante and other hotels. Check this out, the color of the water, beautiful. However, here in the corner is a little bit rubbish. All of the warungs now they opening slowly again after they demolish them, at least the sunbeds. But I'm gonna go now back to the main street and show you a little bit the entrance to the hotels and what's going on the main street. Meanwhile, that's how does it look like. No divers either. Normally there's so many trucks with the divers here. You know, they transporting the guests and the, you know, equipment, but nobody is here today. I don't think so. It's too early. Normally they are on this time. So it's a little bit strange. This is so quiet. Of course, this is the first day of Balik Mudik or Mudik something, when the all local Muslim people going back home for the holidays. But still where they are foreigners, I think. I mean, you know what I mean? Okay, there's the Alphard from Surabaya is coming. Here we go. Some tourists from Indonesia, but after that, pretty quiet. I don't know, feel weird. Either way, this is the entrance to the newest Intercontinental Hotel in Sanur. There was different hotel here, different name, but now it's Intercontinental. The owners must buy franchise to boost a little bit the market. Hotel is like this one, Intercontinental, pretty cool. And next to it is literally Holiday Inn. I think they even share the gardens together. Holiday Inn is also at the front, fully booked actually. I saw it last month. I don't know how it's today. Nice. I have a friends who stay here. They said it's very nice. It's new, have a few months old only. So if you like the IHG group of hotels, definitely highly recommended to try it. Holiday Inn Bali Sanur here, like this one. Pretty good looking. And there is small street, and I'm gonna come to the Jalan Tamblingan. Then you have, of course, some private villas. The entrances here, very small road, but people coming slowly. Maybe it's too early for sunrise, 8:30, I don't know. And at the front is obviously one of the first hotels here, which is our Total Hotel. Not a beach club, but a hotel. They have it, and seems also pretty successful. Some people enjoying the breakfast. I never stay in the Art Hotel hotel here. However, I heard it's pretty nice. So if you would like to try or used to stay there, you can let me know in the comment section. All of those hotels are 4-star. Oh, well, Intercontinental is 5-star, obviously. And then I'm entering the main street, which is Jalan Tamblingan, and actually main roundabout here, which is Jalan Tamblingan, Jana, Uposo, and Cemara Street, just over there. Transport. Thank you so much, brother. Thank you. Yeah. Morning. So, taxi drivers happy to help you. There's some new businesses on Jalan Tamblingan. Pharmacy, shop, boutique, money changer, spa, Sensatia. I will get closer actually. Already everything open at morning. This lady is covering her face. She don't want to be on the camera. Not surprised though. And money changer. This is the good money changer. Highly recommended. Nobody will scam you. They're gonna give you receipt. Everything is legit, and that's the currency status recently for this morning, like this one. Yeah, rupiah is getting stronger, so dollar is weaker now. Yeah, like this. Then you have a legendary Massimo Gelato and Massimo Italian restaurant at the front of us, but it's still closed at 8:45 at morning. I think they open at 9 or 10. Normally it's very busy here, but yeah, still early. I just wanted to show you Sanur at morning. Just surprisingly very quiet. But if it's quiet and everybody who are local Indonesian, Muslim people who go for holidays right now, so that means as if they go home, back to their own home, wherever it is, in Jakarta, Surabaya, Java, or other islands of Indonesia, that means it's quiet after that. No more traffic jam and not many people walking on the street. If this is the main reason, because I don't know, it looks quiet to me, like today. I don't know why. Maybe just the time like this currently. But yeah, it's anyways enjoyable to be walking here at morning. Also, there is small clinic here. Yeah, in case if something happened, you can have it 24 hours. Regarding the Muslim holidays, right now, It's actually interesting because in 2020, when the Bali was under the lockdown, Bali was so packed with the people because if they could, they were coming here to Bali. But now, its tendency is reverse. They're going back to their homes. So yeah, pretty quiet. Either way, it's nice Land Cruiser here, and we have a few restaurants at the front. Abian Harmony Hotel, brand new Lucky 8 Chinese restaurant. I had some noodles here, pretty alright, not so bad, pretty affordable. They have a sitting inside and outside. Another money changer. This one is also legit. You can change money. The newest news in Sanur, Australian, Brazilian Aussie barbecue is open recently in Sanur. Yeah, looks like this one. Why is so sunny? I changed the lens. I'll show you a little bit. It's open like this one. You can have a look if you like to. Next to Made in Bali shop. I need to change across the street. It's too sunny here. Also, Daily Baguette is also here. Very nice place for croissant. Very nice breads. They have it. And another something here is actually another coffee shop. And over here, that was the sandwich bar, but the sandwich bar is gone. Now they changed into Tate, like Andrew Tate. And Ryoshi, of course, obviously, made in Bali, everywhere in Bali right now. So Australian, Brazilian, Aussie barbecue is there, just in case if you ask, because some people may ask me. And that's the French baguette, some other coffee shops, looks like this one, the situation that morning. Yeah, and now here supposed to be in the corner Soul on the Ball, Soul in the Ball, but it's gone recently, few months ago, and the Sala Bistro moved here from the previous location. Also Sala Bistro is opening another branch now in Ubud. Very interesting, so many changes in general. And then of course at the front there will be Hyatt Regency and Andas Hotel are also a little tour box here. And I start my video actually here in this corner, like this one. Also there is Pescado Few restaurant and Warung Kecil at the front. Also local warung, you can have dim sum for 1 and 2,000 only. People having a breakfast in Sala, and to take the loop, what I made, starting from here, going around by the beach and by the street, with my speed, took me about 25 minutes. So it's enjoyable, and this Land Cruiser again, very nice car. Meanwhile, thanks so much for watching, listening. I hope so you enjoyed a little bit situation from Sanur, and as always, I will see you tomorrow on next one.